At the edge of the sun, our greatest mission begins with a golden swarm of silent pioneers. A shield of light is forged, protecting our future from the relentless fury of the solar winds. Through the blue veil, thousands of heavy landers drop toward the scorched plains of the Iron Planet. Touchdown on the Forge of the Gods, where Iron Earth meets the thunder of human progress. An army of Silver Scouts emerges, mapping the jagged ruins of a world that never sleeps. Precision defines our path as red lasers carve a grid of destiny across the sun-scorched plains. We drive our roots deep into the iron crust, anchoring our ambition to the core of Mercury. Gold leaf armor covers the land, a shimmering shield against the heat that would melt common steel. The first breath of cold life pulses through our veins, defying the fire of the nearest star.
Phase 1 is secure.
Deep within the iron heart of Mercury, we begin the greatest excavation in human history. Tearing through the sun-baked rock, we reach for the treasures hidden for billions of years. Light becomes our tool, as green lasers pierce the bedrock to unlock the planet's core. A river of raw power flows to the surface, bringing the ingredients of our future into the sun. Under the weight of our machines, the hardest stone is broken, ready to be forged anew. Magnetic pulses carry our harvest across the land, moving at the speed of human thought. The sun's own fire purifies our work, turning raw dust into the liquid silver of progress. From the fire, we cast the bones of a giant. Each piece is a masterpiece of precision, ready to take its place in the grand design above. Extraction is complete. Join us as we launch these pieces into the sky to build our sun ring. The journey to the stars begins on the rails, where precision meets the raw force of magnets. Defying gravity with a pulse of light, we prepare to launch our dreams into the solar void. A surge of pure lightning fuels our reach, igniting the path to the nearest star. Velocity becomes our bridge as we shoot through the thin air at the speed of human ambition. Mercury itself becomes a catapult, aiming for the heart of the solar system's greatest power. Silent and golden, our harvest enters the void, a shimmering swarm destined for greatness. An army of tireless guardians catches our dreams, preparing them for the ultimate assembly. Fused by the heat of our will, individual pieces become a single, unbreakable whole. Vigilance in the void ensures that our ring stands firm against the tides of time. Phase 3 is complete. Join us as we unfold the massive mirrors that will finally harvest the sun. The desert of space begins to bloom as golden mirrors unfold to catch the fire of our star. Perfect and pure, our mirrors transform the sun's raw fury into a precision tool of progress. Guided by invisible hands, 1,000 petals turn as one, aiming for the heart of the forge. Beams of solid light bridge the abyss, carrying the sun's treasure to the world below. The scorched earth ignites with purpose as we harvest the fire that once sought to destroy us. Yellow veins of liquid fire pulse through the rock, moving the sun's heartbeat to our machines. The sun's heat becomes our motion, turning massive wheels that generate the power of the gods. Every spark is captured and stored, a blue reservoir of light for a civilization that never sleeps. Darkness is a memory on the Forge of Mercury, as our ring of fire brings eternal light to the void.
The harvest has begun. Join us as beneath the fire, we carve our future, boring deep into the cool stone to build our sanctuary. Liquid glass turns raw rock into a fortress, sealing our world against the vacuum of the stars.
The first seeds of home are planted deep, modular havens that will soon pulse with the rhythm of life.
Pulse by pulse, we weave our web, connecting individual shelters into a single, unified civilization. The first breath of life is a mechanical one, a steady flow of air for a world that has none.
Green light from a distant home fills our halls, a digital memory of the world we left behind.
Silent and swift, we move through the rock, a network of life pulsing in the lunar-like dark.
Captured solar fire now lights our parks, bringing a new dawn to the depths of Mercury. The foundation is laid. Join us as we expand our reach to the star. The heart of Mercury overflows with power, rising to the surface to ignite.
Massive iron giants rise from the dust, aiming their sights at the furthest reaches of our system.
Every lens is a masterpiece of precision, designed to guide the sun's fire across the infinite void. A pillar of solid light defies the dark, carrying our harvest to worlds.
Our relay net catches the beam, a golden bridge that spans the distance between two worlds. Constant vigilance in the void ensures the light of progress never flickers or fades.
The link is secured. The system is live. Mercury and the Moon are now one in power.
A solar system illuminated by human will.
The forge is complete, and the stars are our witness. Mercury is now the beacon of humanity. The link is complete. At the feet of the sun, we build the giants that will carry our legacy to the furthest stars.
Fused by fire and logic, individual plates become an impenetrable fortress for the journey ahead.
We plant a heart of pure energy into every vessel, a sun of our own making to drive us home. Complex veins of gold and fire ensure our voyagers remain cool in the face of stellar heat.
Windows to the universe are opened, offering a clear gaze into the infinity we are about to claim. A coat of pure reflection shields our ambition, turning a world of fire into a launch pad for the cold void. Every vessel carries our mark, a symbol of unity that will shine across 1,000 different suns. Weightless and grand, our giants rise from the cradle. The fleet is forged, the engines are live, and the solar system is finally ours to explore. The Armada is ready. Join us as we take the chains of gravity break today, as 5,000 hearts of fire ignite for the journey ahead. Rising like a wall of light, our fleet leaves the Forge of Mercury to claim the silent deep. Magnetic rings catch our giants, flinging them across the void at the speed of human vision. A map of light guides our path, turning the chaotic void into a highway for a new age. Artificial stars mark the way,
a golden trail for all who follow our lead into the unknown.
Tireless guardians watch our roads, ensuring the path remains perfect for the millions to come.
Lifeblood flows in the silence of space, a pulse of energy that sustains our long journey. A bridge of light spans the abyss, connecting the heart of the sun to the spirit of humanity.
From the dust of Mercury to the lights of home, we have built a road.
Highway is open. Join us as we take the final leap into the age of infinite exploration. A new horizon beckons the curious as luxury liners bring the first travelers to the edge of the sun. A city in motion, our hotels chase the twilight to stay forever in the perfect balance of light.
Elegance meets the void, where every guest is welcomed by the silent precision of our mechanical hosts.
The sun is our theater, a magnificent display of cosmic fire viewed from the safety of our glass walls.
Taste the innovation, where every meal is a masterpiece of science and a celebration of our triumph.
Efficiency and ease are the law, as a swarm of drones ensures every desire is met instantly.
Nature blooms in the shadows of giants, a blue sanctuary thriving under the filtered gaze of our star.
The journey never ends as we roll across the craters in a dance with time and light. Mercury has become our jewel, a beacon of luxury and power at the edge of the final frontier. The sun chase has begun. Join us as we build the most breathtaking. Knowledge is our ultimate harvest, as a swarm of silver eyes dives into the heart of the solar fire. We decode the language of stars, turning invisible forces into a map of our cosmic destiny. Captured fragments of the sun arrive in our halls, ready to reveal the secrets of the elements. In the smallest grain of light, we find the blueprints for the energy that powers the galaxy. To master the sun, we must first recreate its fury, testing our strength against the fire of creation.
Purity in every gaze ensures that no secret of the stars remains hidden from our view.
A billion signals become one wisdom as our digital mind maps the destiny of our species.
From the heart of fire, we send back the light of knowledge, forever changing the fate of Earth. The wisdom is ours. Join us as we take the final giant leap.
Vigilance is our silent guardian, as thousands of automated cannons stand watch over our golden world.
A mighty push, intercepting every threat before it touches the soil of our new home.
Our mirrors defy the sun's anger, reflecting the fire to keep our heart beating in the dark. Veins of liquid ice protect our armor, ensuring our shields remain cold while the stars burn. From the deep rock, we monitor the pulse of our safety, guiding our shields with absolute precision.
A wall of silent sentinels guards the gate, an unbreakable ring for an unbreakable world.
Eyes that never blink watch the shadows, detecting every motion in the infinite silence.
The Iron Vanguard patrols the frontier, a symbol of strength that keeps our light burning bright.
Secure and eternal, our world stands firm, the greatest fortress in the history of our species.
The fortress is secured. Join us as we deep in the iron heart, we plant the roots of a giant, an anchor that will bridge the gap between worlds.
Woven from the strength atoms, our cables rise to defy gravity and conquer the silent.
Magnetic hands grip the lifeline of our future, ready to carry the weight of a new civilization. Silent and swift, we rise beyond the clouds of dust, moving toward the light that feeds our world. Through the gates of light, we leave the ground, transcending the limits of the iron world. In the silent deep, tireless guardians watch over our bridge, ensuring every journey is a safe one.
The crossroads of the sky welcome us, a hub of light where every path leads to a new discovery. The bounty of Mercury reaches the stars, moving through our spire to fuel the expansion of humanity.
From the iron floor to the golden ring, we have built a bridge that will never be broken.
The spire is complete. Join us, we take the final leap.
Knowledge is the spark of our survival, as a new generation learns to master the fire of the sun.
Silent and deep, the wisdom of ages is shared, turning human potential into stellar mastery.
In the safety of the dark, we face the storm, preparing our eyes for the blinding reality of space.
Excellence is the only standard we know, as every graduate becomes a beacon of our ambition. We guard the memories of our home planet, ensuring that the soul of Earth lives on in the heat of Mercury.
Knowledge flows as freely as energy, a constant stream of support for the minds that will lead us. Hands of flesh and steel work together, forging the tools that will conquer the infinite deep.
The journey of the mind is complete, as our newest explorers prepare to take their place among the stars.
The future is learned on the edge of the sun, a testament to the brilliance of the human spirit.
The future is learned. At the edge of our world, we build the door to the deep, a ring of iron to conquer the infinite. A heart of pure violet fire ignites the void, pulsing with the power to bridge the gap between stars.
The sun's fire becomes a key as we unlock the gate that leads to the furthest reaches of creation.
Silent and grand, our giants step through the light, carrying the bounty of Mercury to new worlds. Beyond the veil of the sun, we find our future.
Wealth flows both ways across the bridge, as we harvest the secrets of 1,000 different worlds.
The lighthouse of humanity shines forever bright, a golden beacon in the cold. From the dust of the first planet to the light of the last star, we have built a kingdom of fire and wisdom. The gateway is open. Join us as we take the final. Our voice reaches across the light years, a song of triumph echoing through the halls of infinity.
Gratitude is the fuel of our future, as we honor the brave souls who first danced with the sun.
Life blooms where death once ruled, a green heart beating in the iron chest of Mercury.
Comfort is our masterpiece, a haven of peace forged in the most hostile corner of the sky.
The sun never sets on our ambition, as we turn the night of Mercury into a day that never ends. From the cradle of the sun, we launch our legacy, spreading the light of. We leave our home to find our home, but the heart of our story will always beat in the fire of Mercury. From
From 150 steps to infinity, we have built more than a city. Mission Immortal. Join us and be part of the most breathtaking, responsible